guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can look like a firefly on Dress to Impress. So this is what I'm wearing. You can obviously style it to whatever you want. I just added a lot of neon to my outfit, but for the firefly end, you're just going to select the apple, color it kind of similar to your outfits. I'm just going to toggle this on here, and I'm going to select Rotten to the Core. Select this candy bucket, and then you are going to just color it the same. Unfortunately, you can't use neon, so I'm just going to color that and the rest in black. Lastly, we're going to grab the camera, and I'm going to color it. Actually, you don't need to, actually you do need to color it the same as your outfit, and I'm just going to do it in neon for everything. And once you're done, just do the sideways pose, whoops, like this. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.